So we're gonna be making some rice water. Put 1 cup of jasmine rice in a container with like 2 cups of water. I kind of just eyeballed it. I'm gonna take some rosemary essential oil and put a few drops into that. There's a lot of studies that say rosemary promotes hair growth. Probably one of my favorite hair ingredients I have ever found. I'm gonna mix that around a little bit. I'm gonna seal it off and I'm going to put this away for 2 weeks to let it ferment. So fast forward to 2 weeks. I shampoo my hair and then I condition, and I'm going to put this all over my scalp and my hair. I'm gonna leave it on for about 5 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it out. Instantly when I do this, my hair feels so much stronger. This is such a good thing to do if you have bleached hair because you need to add the protein back in your hair. One thing I cannot stress enough is to please be careful with rice water because it is so high in protein. You do not want to overload your hair with protein because if you do that, your hair will feel like hay and it will start to break off. I have done it before and it really sucks. If you want a cheap way to add protein back in your hair that is actually very effective and works, this is one of my favorite techniques to do.